been waiting to find out what the heck elephant toothpaste is.
Yep, so our kitchen pantry scientist Liz Heinecke is here. Okay, the zoo didn't bring an elephant.
Sadly.
Sadly, yeah.
So I guess we're not brushing any back
No,
teeth?
sadly, this is not actually toothpaste.
Oh, okay.
It's a fun kids experiment. I brought the kids safe version, which is not as spectacular as the, sciencey lab hood, lab coat version. But you make this using hydrogen peroxide.
Okay.
3% is the only kind you can get at Target and Walgreens, I discovered yesterday. If you want the stronger stuff for the more spectacular experiment, you have to go to the beauty supply store. Right?
They have the industrial power
yes,
stuff.
hydrogen peroxide is used for bleaching hair, bleaching teeth, that kind of thing.
Okay.
But when
That's
it
how
breaks...
I got my tips.
Yeah, the frosted
Cool
tips.
guy
Thank you, yes.
But when you break down hydrogen peroxide, you make water and oxygen. So that's what we're going to do. And we are going to do it using yeast. So in these bottles, and we are going to capture the oxygen and bubbles using dish soap.
Okay.
So in these bottles, we have hydrogen peroxide, half a cup or a cup. We have dish soap, right? In these cups, we have either yeast and water or just dry yeast.
Straight up yeast.
And this, like I said, this experiment wasn't that cool, so I thought, let's experiment on TV and see if we can make it better.
Great. It's
always good when you don't know what's going to happen. Let's just give it a try.
I love it.
So this is just basically, this is the online version you'll find. This is the recipe doubled. This just has the dry yeast with no water, and you just have a little glue bottle just for fun.
So
you know, because kids make slime all the time. Everyone has glue bottles lying around. Might as well recycle
let's see what
them.
happens with it.
Okay, so
we go one by one?
Yep, no, let's all do it at the same time.
Okay.
Pour it in, mix it up, and then,
we're going this way, okay.
Pour the yeast into the hydrogen peroxide. Now try to kind of swirl it around to mix it up. Okay, I got some in my hands.
There it goes.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Wow.
So if you fill your bottle, okay, let's do this with yours.
How do I?
Just to, and I don't want to cause any bleached out clothing.
There you go.
Gosh.
Okay, so I actually think this version is cooler with just the dry yeast.
Yeah, there it goes.
Very warm.
Yes, don't get it on your clothes now, Matt. I should have warned you guys. I don't. I'll get you. It's mostly
After the
oxygen and
fact.
water.
Yeah,
yes. Oh, that's a cool one. So
That
what's
works out
happening?
fine. Kylie, just having the largest explosion is not
Okay, that's
necessarily
the best
cooler.
one.
This is so good.
So the yeast has something in it called catalase. Catalase breaks down the hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. As you can see on Matt's hands, the soap traps the bubbles. And we added a little food coloring just to make it more fun. But this is, if you have kids doing it, they could wear sunglasses or safety goggles. Hydrogen peroxide.
In case it really
Yes, it's an antiseptic.
We
It
did
can
have
burn your
these here.
skin.
Nobody put them on.
Yeah, I'm probably going to get complaints about
sure,
that. But
yes.
DeRusha J on Twitter.
But this is cool. This is cool stuff. You get so much of it. That's why they call
really
it
fun.
elephant toothpaste.
Elephant toothpaste.
But
It's a
Now we get it.
BYOE
Now we get it.
situation. Bring you
Look at this, it's still going.
Bring it.
Okay, Liz has
Totally.
the directions for this experiment. Lots of other fun stuff at kitchenpantryscientist.com. WCCO.com/links will get you there. Liz, thank you. This was great. This
I
was
love
It
great.
turned out great, actually.
Yeah, sure did.